Never planted a plant before? Don't worry, here at CVA we've got you covered. So first things you're going to need are a few different tools. Basically you're going to need a pair of gloves, a native potting mix, and your pot and your plant. So they're our main things. The first thing that we want to aim at doing is putting a base layer down in our pot for our plant to sit on. So we just need to put a small covering on the bottom of our pot so that our plant will sit in our pot quite nicely. To remove our plant from the pot, it should come out quite nice and easily. Most plants should require just a little tap on the top of the pot and they should slide out of the pot quite nicely. And then from there we can just place him in the middle of our pot. So our next step is to backfill around with our potting mix that we've got here. We want to make sure that our plant's in its home nice and cozy, so we want to make sure that we're getting our potting mix right around the plant and pushing it down nice and firmly to get in around the entire root ball of the plant. Once that's all pushed in nice and firmly, you can just give the pot a bit of a tap on the side just to help get any air bubbles out, and the next step is watering it in. So once we've given him a water, they're pretty much ready to go in your new nature block. And it's that easy.